founder of FuseBase. So let's start our today's webinars. Also, who is in the US? Happy holiday! Have Independence Day. And by the way, we are running some deals on our website and subscriptions. So if that's something is interesting, also check it out. Okay, Xena, let's start.
Yeah, let's start. I will share my screen now. Please confirm that you can see it.
Yeah.
Great. So, hi everyone. My name is Xana. I'm Client Success Manager and Product Specialist at FuseBase. And today I'm here for you to share the whole value of FuseBase for your workflow. So today we are going to walk you through the platform. It shows some use cases that we can cover. So feel free to put all your questions in our chat. We will have the whole Q&A session a little bit later. So today's webinar is all about saving your time on searching for the optimal solution for your client collaboration. We will show you why it's important to find the right tool, talk about some common problems, and give you a solution that actually works. By the end of this webinar, you will have a clear idea of what to do next. But let's start with who we are. And FuseBase is a client collaboration platform. We are focused on simplifying and improving service delivery for professional businesses by helping you to build the right workflow for your business and for the client. And we are focused on client-facing businesses, so almost all types of businesses that have internal processes and external collaboration, like with clients, partners, vendors, etc. They have the same problem in common and need the right solution. And Paul will share a little bit more. Paul?
Yep. Okay. So yeah, let me share my screen now. Okay, let's start. So as Xena mentioned, we are fully focused on client-facing businesses. So in 99% chance, you're going to have internal and external collaboration. And one of the biggest challenges that such businesses have is how you can build effective collaboration with your clients, automate some of your workflows, and also integrate effectively AI solutions that actually you need for your business to be successful and to be competitive. So the biggest challenge actually comes from the client side. Basically, what happens, you have some kind of internal system that you use. Usually, that's some kind of project management system, and external collaboration is usually everywhere. Clients usually not very tech savvy or not very motivated to learn how to use a specific project management tools, and that's a challenge. So as a result, you have your data, your processes somewhere outside your internal system. And that brings a lot of challenges in terms of your workflow, in terms of your automations, in terms of the AIs. So this is another, there's like a visual representation how your productivity pipeline looks like. So you spend a lot of time on a low-level administrative tasks and instead of focusing on a billable hours, strategic goals, you just very ineffective, and there is a huge room for improvement. So on the left here, you see this is like most common case. What happens like when you have your internal external collaboration, it's just everywhere. We organize that. So basically, we bring you internal external processes in one place, and that brings you a lot of efficiency and competitive advantages. This is another way representation. So as a foundation, we have our platform for collaboration. And on top of that, once you bring your processes and your information from internal and external, you can effectively integrate various AI solutions that we provide, and also build automations within our internal system and also with your external systems that that you use. So now let's get to like a more details. Don't forget we have a FAQ section. Please put all your questions there, and at the end of the webinar we will go over some of them. So here's how the FuseBase structured. If you think about the restaurant businesses, you have a kitchen and you have a dining area. Kitchen, this is your internal collaboration. In our case, we call it workspace, and you can have a multiple workspaces. And usually companies, they dedicate workspaces for a client, for a large project, or for some kind of departments. So you can create as many workspaces as you need. So when you use search, when you use AI, it's your information doesn't get mixed with other information from other cases. Inside the workspace, you have two main areas. This inner space and a client portals. So in your internal space, this is where you have your knowledge management, project management, and communication solution. So you have a tasks, files, charts, and very robust documents that you can templatize. And for the clients, you have portals. This is a very similar concept to the restaurants, dining area. So in this case, it's all about clients, client experience, and efficiency. So portals designed to look like a micro websites with a protected access, because this is the only one thing that all people know how to use and how to navigate. So there is no learning curve. Plus, we made them look very professional and outstanding, so you can fully customize them. You can connect our solution to your domain name, so it's going to be part of your domain. If you have your own product solution, for example, it's not only consulting services, but you have actually like some kind of software solution, you can actually integrate FuseBase under white label into your existing solution, and basically we're just gonna cover the part that we do great in terms of the client collaboration, communication, and delivery of information. Additionally, our portals can be fully customized to match your brand identity. So when you engage your clients, you look awesome not only in initial engagements, but also when you deliver your services. This is where you spend most of your time. So why not to look very professional all the way till you close the project? And this is where we can help you to create awesome templates. So your clients have better engagement with your brand, so it can sticks in their mind. Now let's get to the portals, to the client side. So on my screen, this is one of the generic examples of the portals which you can customize even more. There is a lot of stuff here. It's primarily for demo purpose, but if you don't have much stuff, you can have a smaller portal. So that's up to you. On my screen, we have a main page where you can connect some of our widgets as a start page. For example, timeline widget where you can show what's going on with a project, so your clients always know the status, and that also brings transparency. Various widgets to navigate to sections of the portals. You can have a welcome video, some other tiles or galleries with some kind of images or videos, latest files, book a call, book a demo, or chat, or anything else. So we support a lot of services that you can embed, and this is another great thing about us. You don't need to migrate from all of your solutions that you're used to. You just can integrate some of them if you want to keep them. Another way how you can show the tasks in progress, you can connect our task lists inside the portal. You can drag and drop them from one place to another. So in this case, you kind of break down more specifically what's going on for the clients. They can click on any task, put the comments, attach files. So you have like just a regular collaboration with the clients. And what's great, our portals, they're fully mobile friendly, which means they can do the same from the phone, even without installing any app. It's basically just they're going to have a link and they get inside the portal. Additionally, inside the portal, we have notification panel, which everyone can see what's going on. All notifications also sent to the email for your team and for your clients if it's related to something that inside the portal. Additionally, we have a chat dashboard for your clients. So when you connect various chat channels into portal into different places, so for example, you can have like a page with your, let's say, financial stuff, and you can put a chat there dedicated to financial conversation. And you don't want your clients to go over all of these chats in the portal. They can always go to a dashboard and they're going to see all the communications. Same for the tasks, same for the files. Even though all of the tasks can be in multiple places, same with the files, but your clients have a dashboards where they can quickly access all of the information. Now let me show you the example of data collection. So we provide a very powerful document management system where you can create a special documents and we call them pages for your clients. And as an example, this is like a data collection case. So let's say you need to collect information from your client, provide information for them to get familiar with something. Then you want them to accomplish multiple steps. So we have special objects we call steps, which you can create and put any information in every such step. So for example, in my case, there is a task list, there are some tips, and then there are 2 places where we're expecting clients to upload driving license and their copy of the social security. Let's say in the step 3, you want them to complete some kind of form or survey. So you create a step, put a task list, and put a form. So let's say your client forgot or doesn't do the job. So you can click on a task, put a mention, unsigned, put a due date, put a label, it's urgent, and they're going to get the email notification, or if they will be in a portal notification panel, task dashboard. So they're going to see that they have some homework to do. And also you can integrate other solutions. For example, in my case, let's say we put here a HubSpot widget so they can book a call. And in this case, you can create as many of such steps, and you can put any information that you think is relevant for a specific case. And as a result, your client doesn't need to go through the email, through the file storage, through the project management, through the documents, a bunch of other links. It's just very simple, like a single page, like a one story, where they can just go through step by step and get all of the information. And besides that, this is like the whole idea. You can create such pages and put all the information inside such page, and you also make them functional. So it's not only one way, but if you want them, let's say, edit this page or put a task list or Kanban board inside of such pages to show some kind of process, you also can do that. So the idea here on the client side, before I get to the internal side, you have one place where your clients can get everything that they need. Basically, it's like a single source of truth. And you can create one portal for multiple clients where you're going to have access to everything, and they're going to see only their stuff, so they will not know about each other. Or you can create a dedicated such portals, and every portal can be fully customized. So it's a very flexible system. Plus, we do have a ability to templatize your portals and your internal documents and copy them. So, for example, If you got a new client, you just have your master template, master workspace, you just copy that, and in a couple of seconds, you're going to have a fully ready portal. And with our automations that I'm going to show you next, you will be able to automate that, let's say, integrate with your CRM system. So it's all done by our system. So there is no like manual job for you. By the way, before I will get to the automations, let me show you how you can customize the portal. In terms of the portal management, we have a drag and drop builder where you manage your portal. We call it visual editor or portal editor, and it's pretty straightforward. On the left, you have all of your stuff, and on the right, this is like a live version of the portal. So, for example, if I want to move, let's say, this timeline widget to the very bottom, I just drag and drop it, and it will be on the very bottom. So here we go. And now on the very bottom, I click publish, and that's it. It goes live. For example, I have a chat dashboard here in my sidebar navigation besides the tab bar and a footer. I click edit. So I see the version of the sidebar. And if I want to move our chat dashboard somewhere else, I just drag and drop it here, and I click publish. So it's all live. If I want to undo this, I click here, and it goes back. Additionally, in the same way, I can click those three dots, and there is a folder settings, and I can manage access permission. So in this way, you can invite clients to a specific folders with all of the information, and they will not know about each other. But in the same way, you can publish on a portal like a general information that you want to provide to all of your clients. In the same time, you have individual folders for the clients. And if they go to the tasks and dashboards, they will not know about other clients. They're just going to see communication files and tasks just related to them. In terms of the way how they can get inside the portal, there are multiple ways. First, there's the magic links, so they don't need to register a unique link, and they get inside of the portal. It's really great because some of the clients forget their logins and passwords, and they just don't like to do this stuff. Another option, we're going to have this new update this month. You will put a link on your website. You can call this link, let's say, client portal. So when they click on it, they need to put their email, and they will get inside the portal. Also, you can do just a standard way login and through the password. So first step, they need to register, and after that, they just sign in, and that's it. They're in a portal. So again, pretty flexible how you can get your clients inside depending on your particular use case. So now we are inside of the FuseBase. This is your internal kitchen. As you see here on the left, we have workspaces which you can dedicate to clients, projects, departments. And I'm right now inside of one of the workspaces. We call it demo portal. And as you see here, there's internal space, and this is a client portal. So if I click on this icon, I'm going to see the same contents that I just showed you inside the portal. And this area, internal space, this is actually where you create all your documents. And once it's ready, you can click on the button here, add to portal, or you can just drag and drop from your internal space to the portal, and it will be published. We also have another way how you can share your information. It's just a regular sharing. So I can click share. I get a unique link. If you connected your FuseBase account to your domain name, this link will be yours. And you can also set a password. So in this case, it's kind of only one-way sharing. So if you want to quickly share any kind of information, you just can use this link instead of just inviting to the client. Also, you can get embedded code of such page and embed it, let's say, on your website. If you have some kind of CMS system or something else, you can also embed it, similar to YouTube video. Internally, you have notifications, chats, channels. If you go to, let's say, for tasks, you can select multiple workspaces and see tasks from the multiple places. What's great about our solution and how it differs from some of the project management tools is the way how you can combine your tasks, like a multiple Kanban board, with other information on a single page. So when you run some kind of project, let's say SMM campaign, normally you would have like a project management system, file storage, document management, and something else. In our case, you just create one single page, put all of the information inside such page, and it's all there. And the same way you do for your clients, you put in a single page, publish in a portal, they go to this page, and they see everything that they need to see. Additionally, we invest a lot of our resources into integration of AI copilots. So if you go back here, as I mentioned, you have a platform, and on top of that, we have automation and AI copilots. For example, we have an AI video transcription as one of the example. Also, we have a built-in AI inside our documents, so you can just select your text and click use AI, and you can do some kind of prompts. We also have an Ask AI on the page level, which basically gonna have as an input all of the information on such page, and then you can prompt it to the way how you like. And a new update that will be released soon. This is AI assistant as a chat on the whole workspace level, and you can train it. So, for example, you have a sales workspace for a sales team or your support team, and you put all your knowledge to such workspace, and then you can train this AI to be very specific on like answering questions related to sales or support. So it's all great in terms of the way how we can operate. And in the next updates, we will bring this AI also chat to the portal, and you will be able to train it to be very specific to answering some of your clients' questions. And finally, we have automation platform. It is similar to Make or Zapier, but it goes with your account. It will be released also this month. And the idea here, you can create a custom workflows to automate your operations. So, for example, you can integrate it with a CRM system, and you can create scenarios like if you got a sort of the pipeline, the client, and you're ready to collaborate, automatically create a portal, automatically copy, as you see here, copy a folder into existing folder in the portal or a new portal, invite client inside such portal. Or if you want to create some kind of notification, some kind of message into your existing, I don't know, like a Slack, or if you want to still use Monday.com, you don't want to use our task lists, you can also build such scenarios. And it's basically sky's the limit how you can implement such workflows. In the next updates, we will add more our APIs here, and you can, let's say, do like a data classification workflow. For example, analyze all uploaded files, understand through the AI what type of files are those, and based on that, send a notification to your team or send to your client some kind of custom email or custom text message if you use some kind of communication tool like Twilio, providing summary what was uploaded and what is missing. So very flexible, and also Xana, she's a part of the team which helps to integrate our solution to your business. They can help you with creating custom workflows, templates in the portal. So if you don't want to invest too much time from your side, our team can help you with that as well. So just to summarize what we have as a FuseBase, this is end-to-end client collaboration platform. that helps you to streamline your operations so you can get out of this situation and you can effectively integrate your processes with the clients in a very professional, in a very outstanding way. So your clients don't feel like they were invited to the kitchen where it's very messy or not very organized. You actually have the area where you can work with your clients very effectively. It's a two-way collaboration, or it can be like one way. But again, the idea is you bring everything in one place, and then you integrate with the rest of your technology stack, or just use a FuseBase if that's going to be enough for you. And we have our team that will be glad to help you to implement that in your business. Yeah, so that's a FuseBase. So let me stop my presentation, and Xana, let's go over some of the questions.
Okay. Let's start from the top. Hi, Paul. My team is currently exploring other product management tool. I was curious to know what sets FuseBase Workspace apart from similar tools.
So our main differentiator, first of all, this is like the experience, how we work with the clients. The second is we bring internal and external collaboration. So there are project management tools and there are client portal solutions. However, project management tool don't cover effectively client collaboration. Client portals, they cover client collaboration, but you don't have your internal system, plus very poor workflow automation and AI. So we do both. You have internal, external in one place.
Mm-hmm. Can FuseBase be easily integrated into existing workflows? So as Paul already mentioned, we have the whole team who can help you with that. So we are digging deep into your processes and making sure FuseBase can be the best fit in this case, and just building everything for you, the portal, the internal space, and helping with some templates as well. So I would say that we are making sure all your integration into the platform is going really smooth.
Right.
Can my customers get support from this FuseBase team if they are not familiar with the tool? Yeah, well, again, our support team is always open to help if any questions appear. Moreover, if we're talking about your clients on the client portal, we will release a new AI assistant like a chatbot that will help them to find the needed information inside the portal. So in any case, they will get the help and find the right answers.
Xena, let's answer Karim's question. So he needs some clarification here. So the workspace is where I would build out all my documents, etc.
Mhm.
And the portal is where my clients access only those documents, etc. I give the access. Correct. So and it's not only the documents. It could be like you can embed, let's say, Google Sheets or Google Documents inside the portal. Or let's say provide or upload videos, like a lot of stuff, like even like Monday, ClickUp, and other project management tools. They allow you to have this like a embedded version of their dashboards, and you can bring it also to the portal. One of the things that we want to bring down the road in the next few months is actually where let's say if you want to stick with your current project management system, you can connect some of your dashboards to our task lists inside the portal. There's going to be like a two-way automation, and in this case you still work in your complex project management system. However, inside the client portal there is a simple way, a simple task list, simple Kanban flow that your clients need, and you will not overwhelm them. And the same way, as I said, it will be automated, so there is no manual work for you.
And the next question about the security. I'm interested in document security. Can we force to have logins? And does your platform have a SOC 2 report?
I don't see this question. Where do you see it, Sena? Is it from
In
chat or?
Q&A? No, in Q&A.
Oh, okay, it's just popped up.
The last one, yeah.
So I'm not sure about 2FA for clients. We do have 2FAs for employees. We need to double check that. In terms of SOC 2, this is what we are working on right now. We need you, so please contact us directly. You can schedule a call with us. We need to understand your requirements because we also have a GDPR compliance. We do have data privacy agreements. We sign NDA, so we do have some of those procedures already implemented. We need to understand better what type of documents you usually have, because if it's like a HIPAA related, this is one story. If it's like financial stuff, that's another story. So it's better if we get connected, and we will explore more your particular use case.
Can FuseBase AI use my workspace data to provide me with insights? For example, can I create an analysis of some of my projects?
I don't see this question, Sarah. Can you answer it?
Yeah. AI will be able to just scrape the information from your workspace, and the same as I mentioned with the client portal. And you will be able to train that, for example, for your sales team to find the information about your product pretty quickly to answer the right question to the client. If you see that the information is not correct and AI assistant just messing with you, you can also just teach it how to answer it right and just work with that on different workspaces.
Yeah, so another thing is like in terms of like this the automation that we will bring up soon. Once we connect more of our data points, what you will be able to do, create a scenario, for example, go over all of your, let's say, sales video, analyze them and match them with, let's say, your expectations. Like, let's say if this particular sales rep ask a specific questions around some of the topic, and provide you a report on that automatically. So the idea is not just use AI and automation workflow separately. It's actually bringing these scenarios where you can create those workflows and use AI as this tool that actually can understand your intent, your information, and based on that, provide those outputs to the automation to trigger different scenarios. So you can create like a branches actually. So it's not like a one scenario, or based on the outputs and based on the result, you can create a different scenarios, and you can run them, or you can trigger them by certain event that happened inside the FuseBase or somewhere outside. For example, like if you use some kind of billing system, let's say there is invoice which is due, so you can create a scenario, just send some kind of notification or post a message in a client portal, or create a task inside a client portal for a client to pay for the invoice. So it's basically like a person that doesn't sleep and can do a lot of things simultaneously. Sam, let's do the last question because we are out of our time, and
okay. Oh, sorry, I had one. Can the internal knowledge base be used for external usage?
Yeah, so we give you like a solution. Basically, the portals. You think about your delivery platform. So you can combine that. So you can have like external knowledge base for your website. You can have an internal. You have another portal for your projects and clients. For example, you can use it also as an intranet. So if you work in a larger company and you want to have like a delivery system, like for some kind of stakeholders, C-level, so you can create a one portal for them, put all information like for your reporting. So the idea here is like we give you a tool and we can help you with that, but you can adapt it to many use cases. So it's very flexible. Thanks for your time. We will upload this video so you can watch it later. If we didn't cover some of your questions, or you watch this video as a recorded, feel free to reach us out. We have a team. We do onboarding and some personalized demos. We'll be glad to answer all your questions. Also, 4th of July, we do have some promotions. So you use it to get some discounts as well. Have a great holiday weekend, and thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.